ready to launch your dream website without spending a dime. Today, we're diving into how to create a stunning WordPress site for absolutely free with InfinityFree. First things first, head over to InfinityFree's website. You'll want to find and click the prominent Get Started Free button that will take you to their sign-up page. Now, you'll need to create your account, fill in the required details, including choosing a subdomain for your website. Think of it as your temporary web address. Make sure to use a strong password and provide a valid email address, as you'll receive important account information there. After submitting your sign-up, check your email for a verification message. From InfinityFree, click the verification link provided to confirm your account and unlock your hosting. Once your account is verified, you'll land on your InfinityFree client area. Look for the option to create a new hosting account. This is where we'll set up your website's home. Similar to the sign-up, you'll select your desired subdomain. Again, this will be the primary address for your free hosting account. Choose something catchy and relevant to your website's purpose. After your hosting account is set up, navigate through your InfinityFree control panel to find the Softaculous apps installer or a similar one-click installer. This is our secret weapon for a quick WordPress setup. Within Softaculous, you'll see a variety of popular applications. Find and click on the WordPress icon. This will initiate the installation process. Now, the WordPress installation screen will appear. Select the subdomain you just created for your hosting account from the drop-down menu. Ensure the protocol is set to either HTTP or HTTPS, whichever is available. Next, fill in your website's name and a brief description. Crucially, choose a strong admin username and a secure password for your WordPress dashboard. Remember these details. You'll need them to log in later. Click the Install button and wait a moment for WordPress to be automatically installed on your InfinityFree account. It's that simple. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a link to your WordPress admin login. Click this link, and you'll be taken to the WordPress login screen. Enter the admin username and password you created during the installation, and voila, you're now inside your very own WordPress dashboard. From here, you can customize your website with themes, add content, install plugins, and truly make it your own. Explore the Appearance section to find a theme that fits your vision. InfinityFree offers free hosting, and WordPress provides a powerful platform, allowing you to build a professional-looking website without any upfront costs. Start creating, start publishing, and share your passion with the world today.